Aguturosa, KTN.
Mojtaba Khamenei, the son of the slain Iranian leader Ayatollah Khamenei, has been picked as the new supreme leader. Mojtaba was elected by the Assembly of Experts, an 88-member clerical body tasked with selecting the supreme leader of the country, now embroiled in the Middle East war. Mojtaba will take over from his father, who was killed in the first wave of US and Israeli strikes last week. The US and Israel are yet to comment on the decision, given the statement by US President Donald Trump that he wanted to play a role in the selection of Iran's new leader.